Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now I've got a very special offer going live on the 15th of March from a very good friend of mine, Neil Napier. Now today I have some amazing free downloads for you. Over 50 downloads right at the bottom of this page. I'll just scroll down so you can see those. Just go down here. So you can see all my free downloads start here, but these expire on the 15th. So if you want these, make sure that you act, download them, claim them. On the 15th, they will expire. Now, Neil is holding a webinar on the 15th, and it's all about multicasting. Now, if you haven't heard of multicasting, what it means is being able to broadcast yourself to multiple places. So normally people kind of concentrate on what marketplaces like Facebook, TikTok, etc. What this does, it teaches you to be able to do that to multiple places. Okay? Now this is a training event. It's a 3-day live training from the 20th to the 22nd of March. Now if you want to get on the call, find out what this is about, make sure that you register for the webinar. Just click here, take you across, register for the webinar. It's happening the 15th of March at 10 AM Eastern Standard. Now, I have put together an amazing bonus for this. Myself, my team, we've built an app that will help you get the best from this training. So it's called Multicasting Pro. It's not just a single app, it has 4 apps in one kind of thing. So it's a platform selector. So it lets you enter your niche and location, and then it will show you the best platform to broadcast your deals. It has a deal script generator in there, it has a profit margin calculator, and it has a provider vetting checklist. Okay, so huge tool, and you can see a screen grab of it down here. Now, what I'm also doing is giving you the full white label version. Now, normally when we do this, we do the white label version. You know, we give you, let me just scroll down so you can see. We're giving you the full source code. We're giving you a fully formatted sales page, marketing materials. We're also giving you the done for you installation, done for you logo and rebranding, and payment integration setup. Now, normally when we do that, it's because we're promoting a bundle or something like that. We're not with this. This is for all of the front end. So the front end is $27, and you get this brand new app, Multicasting Pro, and the white label version with all this included. And we've got the multicasting niche cheat sheet, multicasting, get out, Richard, conversation starter kit, and platform broadcast playbook. So just look down here, we've got some amazing apps, plus we've got apps with PLR as well. So just scroll down here, you'll see exactly what we're including. And we're also offering the AI app platform with 24 apps included. And that's all for the front end, all for the $27 product. So make sure that you get on that webinar. If you buy on the webinar, you will be able to claim our bonuses. Now, as I said, this is for the front end only, so you only need to purchase front end if you want to lock in my bonuses. But there is some, it's an amazing funnel, which I'll give you a full review of the funnel on the 15th. But make sure that you lock in for that webinar. You'll get all my bonuses included. Now, as I said, no one's going to beat this. You can have a look around if you want, but no one is going to give you a brand new app that does all about multicasting, and it includes white label, and we're including the setup, rebranding, sales page, everything. Okay, so you're getting a full white label app done under your own brand. So register for the webinar and make sure that you lock it in on the webinar. This is only a very, very short 3-day launch, so it's 15th, 16th, 17th. This offer will close then. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.